This is just the beginning of this weather system. Tomorrow, we could see severe weather, strong winds, maybe even a tornado. And another big problem, it's the rain itself. Rivers are already clogged, they're full, and we could get another 2 to 4 inches of rain. What's coming our way? Our team coverage begins with Chief Meteorologist Bill Steffen.
Well, lots to talk about. Over the next 36 hours, it's going to be a ride of showers, storms, small hail in many of the storms, possibility for larger hail, strong winds, and an isolated tornado tomorrow. Very heavy rains continuing to cause flooding, and strong winds expected even outside of the thunderstorms for tomorrow and on Friday. Let's take a look at Storm Track Live and show you there's lots of thunderstorm activity out there. As you can see, our lightning count continues to go up. We've got a lightning count right now up over 6,000. About an hour ago, that was around 4,000. So that's really ramping up right now. And you can see the thunderstorm stretching from parts of Berrien County up to just west of Kalamazoo and north of Kalamazoo over toward the Lansing area. Not much going on to the southeast. These storms will continue to move one after another across the area, producing some very heavy rainfall. Let's go to this mode right here, and we'll see if we can track a little bit of this for you. First of all, the thunderstorm that is down here, there's a pretty good line of thunderstorms coming onshore here, and this is heading toward Kalamazoo in about an hour and 19 minutes or so. The area that's along the lakeshore right now into Grand Rapids in about 32 minutes. And we'll zoom in just a little bit to some of the storms that have already come through Grand Rapids and produced some hail. These storms moving east should be over outside of Ionia County in about 31 minutes. Here's the way it looks if you're heading out this evening. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s. Showers and storms, some producing some small hail. We've had reports of small hail throughout the Grand Rapids area and Allegan County as well. Wind should be out of the east at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Kyle's here now, and he's going to talk about the flood situation.
Bill, no question, this is a multifaceted and complicated system. You address the severe weather threat, which primarily exists tomorrow, even though we do have a small threat of strong storms tonight. Tomorrow we deal with the severe weather threat. The flooding threat and the heavy rain threat has already emerged here across West Michigan with downpours over the last couple of hours. By daybreak tomorrow morning, we could see totals in excess of 1 inch of rain. Now watch these numbers through the day tomorrow. Not only do we have that 1 inch overnight, but we could pick up another 2 or 3, bringing grand totals anywhere between 2 and 4 inches of rain. An almost unheard of amount of rainfall in a 24-hour period. Of course, this is going to complicate the already existing flooding situation. We're talking about the Grand River here, first downtown Grand Rapids. We're lucky because we have high flood walls here. Waters are receding before the rain started. We're expecting them to stay steady here overnight tonight and then rise pretty rapidly here during the day tomorrow. We're going to be into that minor flooding stage. Impacts will be pretty minor from this, but we're going to hear from Joe LaFurgey in a second. We're already dealing with moderate flooding along the Grand River here in Comstock Park. We're expecting water levels to close in on major flooding near record levels coming up early next week, because what will happen with all this rain over the next 24 hours, watch these waters rise pretty rapidly, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, as all the creeks that feed into the Grand River empty out, we'll see the water continue to slowly rise, and we're expecting a crest near record territory, roughly where we had water levels in 2004 with major flooding. That's Monday night or Tuesday we expect that crest.